Hello everyone, so in this video I'm about to retry my previous prompt with new products, and the product is complex because in the previous video I tried the prompt with a really simple product, and honestly I noticed this because of someone's comment. And thank you for you to comment in that video. So this is the prompt template. Now we'll try it with physical product first. Here is conclusion in one sentence from ChatGPT. To reach 100/100, the system must add guaranteed error improving, such as a 90-day proof program, safety guarantees, and pre-trained predictive maintenance models to eliminate adoption friction and make the value undeniable. And now for the digital product. Now is the conclusion for the digital product. To reach 100/100, the platform must introduce a regulatory mapping engine, shadow mode valuation, and formal agent behavior guarantees to remove enterprise risk concerns and make compliance safe automation effortless. Okay, so there are two differences from the previous answer and the current answer from ChatGPT that I noticed. So the first is the range are higher than before, because I still remember one of the products from the previous video just get right 48, but in this video both products get range 19 plus. And the second difference is ChatGPT more understand and analysis deeper the products, because in the previous video ChatGPT is like asking what is this product, but in this video ChatGPT has been understand the both products, and so it can analyze the products. Okay, so this is the final conclusion from myself. So this prompt can analyze simple or complex products, but why the complex products seems get better answer than the simple products? So the reason is because I give more detailed information about the complex products than the simple products, and it makes ChatGPT more easily to understand about what is our products. And the other reason is, if we have complex products, it means we have more unique products than just simple products. So I think that is my final conclusion.